Hello friends, welcome to my channel JMakeover, and happy to see you all. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel for more updates on Aari and skincare, makeup and hairstyles. And I will show the previous tools whatever was available and then the latest one. And this is the first tool we usually use whenever we start doing Aari embroidery or any other hand embroidery, and it's usually made of it's made of wood, and available in various sizes. But this one you have to hold in the hand. It's available in various sizes, so that you can do even the small embroidery even on the smaller clothes, and it's very easy to use for beginners. The only thing is you have to hold in hand for longer time, so this was not feasible for everybody. So this came into the place where you can take the wooden frame and fix it in the stand, metal stand. And this is not usually available in smaller sizes, only from 14 inches it starts, 14, 16, 18 like that. And you have to fix the cloth in the wooden frame and then fix the frame, that wooden frame, into the on the stand. Okay, so you don't have to hold in the hand, and you can do embroidery on little bigger clothes like Indian sari, blouse, or curtains, etc. And here comes the next one, bigger one. This is also called a card, Aari card, or embroidery card, or adda. So that is why Aari embroidery is called adda embroidery. This is available in various styles, but this is one of them. The main thing is this is available only in the bigger sizes like 4 foot or 6 foot, and it takes comparatively more time to fix the clothes. It's not like the smaller frames, and it's easy to work. Once you fix the clothes, it's very easy to work even on the lengthy clothes or borders. And here comes the latest one, and I will show you. It's kind of mix of adda and also the wooden stand. This is the latest launch in the Aari embroidery stand, and this has wooden stand, adda kind of thing to hold it, and also the metal stand. Okay, so this is how you will have to fix this. You can sit comfortably, and you can easily move to your left and right, up and down. See, like this you can sit, and you have to fix it in the wooden frame and then on this metal frame, and then you can work. This is available in 18-inch size. Available is 18-inch, and this is how it will be once you fix the cloth. You can adjust the height and adjust the direction of the metal stand. If you want this, I will share my Insta ID in the description. You can directly message me in my on my Insta page, and I will tell you the procedure how to get it. And thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will give you updates on Aari embroidery tools, stitches, and also on various topics. I request you to check out my playlist, and I'm very sure that you will take up at least one good point from my every video. Thank you.